Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool, which has chatbot trained by different models, and also you can upload your PDF and it can be analyzed for your literature review. So it has different models. It will generate different types of content in one window. So you can get different types of content. Whatever the model you want, you can select and you will generate the content. So let us go on to today's video and explore that interesting AI tool and how that will be helpful for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of prompts in ChatGPT, especially research prompts, and how that research prompts will be useful for us to make a better content from ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested to know more about MATLAB basics, so here is an opportunity for you to learn. So this is a live MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced applications. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss about the basic syntaxes, 2D, 3D plotting in MATLAB, and also we are going to discuss about different types of toolbox, especially neural network, fuzzy logic and ANFIS toolbox in MATLAB. And then we are going to make a live PID tuning controller to get desired output for your applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is the Tune.chat. It's a chatbot. So here you can see you can ask anything to this chatbot. So these are the different models available. Here you can see Mistral, OpenHums, Lava, next Qvent, next Golia, GPT 3.5, GPT 3.5 for Turbo 16K. These are the different models are available. So every model has its own unique databases. So from that it will generate a better content for you. The only thing is that the prompt you are giving is important. So apart from this, you can have inbuilt prompts. So you can click browse prompts. So here you can see there are inbuilt prompts are available. So starting from your article generator, so backlink outreach email, headline generator, next product description, next SEO content brief. So these are the basic prompts are also available. So here you can see short summary, write a concise and comprehensive summary of. So you can use this prompt. So here you can see generate subject line for provide email body. Next you can see LinkedIn post, YouTube video description, explain it to me like that, just click on. So you are an expert teacher who can explain complex topics in simpler terms, explain the concept of simpler terms. So like that, these are the different prompts. So you can use this prompts also to generate a better content out of it. So apart from this, you can see attach option. So here click on this attach option. So you can attach any file and you can discuss that file. So we will check one by one. So first we will explore with an input prompt. Normally we often use it to ask generate an abstract for your research paper. So I am going to ask abstract generate an abstract for the research paper titled Machine Learning Algorithm for MPPT. So this is the input I am going to give. So here you can see this is the title, machine learning based maximum power point tracking algorithm for photovoltaic system. So this itself generated a better title. So here you can see that a better abstract is generated. So this research paper proposes a novel machine learning based maximum power point tracking algorithm for that is for photovoltaic system. MPPT is a critical control technique for extracting maximum output from PV system, while essential for efficient energy conservation and utilization. Traditional MPPT algorithms such as PNO, INC suffer from various limitations. So this will be a fantastic abstract generated by this AI tool. So you can ask anything you want. So in order to explore even more, so I am going to take some random references from a research paper. So for example, I am going to select machine learning itself. So click on machine learning and deep learning. So it will leads to some of the papers here related with machine learning. So I am going to use this machine learning paper. So in this machine learning paper, what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste random 5 references. So or I am going to copy and paste 4 references only. So go to again Tune.chat. So copy and paste that 4 references from the above reference. Make a literature review with proper citation. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. So make a literature review with proper citation. So and then click enter. So you have to log in with your mail ID. So I am going to log in. So here you can see, so after logging in with your mail ID, so it will generate a literature review for you. So the field of 𝐤𝐸 implements. So here you can see the citation also will be given. So this is the paper first citation, second citation, next third paper citation. So like that all the papers are cited in this particular content. So it will generate, still generating. So it will generate references also. Yes, all our content is generated. So here you can see you can automate your literature review using this kind of Tune.chat. So before that you have to check at once. Don't blindly copy and paste the content which is generated by this Tune.chat. So you have to study about that particular and compare with the references you have given to that particular AI tool. So thereby it will you can make a cross check that the content generated by this AI tool is correct or not. So this is all about this Tune.chat. It is generating and automating the literature review also. So we will explore with the tool, that is the prompt in this prompt itself. So I am going to give use prompts. So write a concise and comprehensive summary of, for example, I am going to insert a topic here, renewable energy usage in power sector. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. Yes, it is generating. So the prompt works out well. So in order to use, so you can click this prompts itself. These are the prompts which is given. So it will be added soon. So you can use this prompt also. This is checked prompts. As you can see, a brief explanation and a perfect concise explanation for the particular topic you have given will be generated. So like that you can use the inbuilt prompt in this browse prompt option, and you can do the, and you can make a better content out of this particular Tune.chat. Next you can attach any document. For example, I am going to attach a particular document here. So I am going to attach a document. It's uploading file. So whether we can see whether the document is attached or not. Yes, the document is attached. Give the key findings of the document attached. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. Give the key findings of the document attached. Here you can see the document here. So here you can see that the key finding is generated from the document itself. So these are the different key findings. So in order to get a better understanding about this particular document, so I am going to open this document. This document is all about economic integration of renewable and conventional power sources, a case study. So this is case study related with Jammu and Kashmir and Pakistan in a Mirpur University of Engineering and College, and the installation of solar panel in that particular premises. So here you can see that. So the study presents optimal microgrid design for Mirpur University Engineering College in Pakistan with the aim of ensuring uninterrupted energy supply at the cheapest price using reliable energy sources. The design considers various factors such as available resources, electrical grid, solar illumination, and also you can see that the proposed microgrid design includes solar PV, diesel generator, etc. So like that the key findings related with the document is also be attached. So like that you can make use of this option, and then you can use it as a search engine also. So this is how you can use this Tune.chat to generate a better content for your research paper. So you can ask anything as like a chatbot. So you can use the already inbuilt prompts available in this particular tool, and then you can attach any document as like in chat with PDF, and you can generate a better content out of it. So this is all about this Tune.chat AI. So this will be a fantastic and promising tool for our research paper writing, especially related with academic content. It is generating a better content for our research papers. So go on and explore this Tune.chat AI. This will be very helpful for you to make your research paper writing very simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.